Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the Mi Note 10 Lite versus the POCO X2 device. So as you can see, right now I'll be comparing both the display qualities in viewing angles and brightness at low brightness levels and high brightness levels. So plenty of comparisons I'll be doing in this video. So try to watch till the end to decide which phone is best in terms of the display quality. And if you want to know what wallpapers exactly I'm using for the notch phones and punch holes, so don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. So definitely, plenty of users are asking me, so what wallpapers you are using and what wallpaper you are using. I want to try that wallpaper, so that's why I created the separate wallpaper playlist as well, only for these mobile phones. So definitely this will be very useful if you want to know what wallpapers for Redmi Note 9 Pro and even for Mi Note 10 Lite, notch phones, punch holes, Realme 6 type punch holes. So you can find plenty of videos, and these are Redmi Note 9. Even I'll be doing so many videos very soon on the Redmi Note 9 as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel if you want to know which phone to buy so before releasing in India. So this will be very useful. So as you can see right now, I'm playing the same video in both the phones. So meanwhile, let me go through the specifications of both the phones. The POCO X2 has the IPS LCD panel, so whereas the Mi Note 10 Lite has a Super AMOLED panel. So if you're asking me about the color saturation levels and contrast levels, so definitely I would pick the AMOLED panels as well. So if you're worrying about the color saturation levels, and definitely Mi Note 10 Lite will be the best option. And next question is that a few of the users are asking me that is there any color boost option available in the Mi Note 10 Lite? Yes, there is a color boost option available, so which even I'll be doing another video separate on dedicating only for that option as well. So if you notice here clearly, you can see the difference in terms of the color between both the phones and both the screens. So whereas Mi Note 10 Lite looks little bit of good for watching the movies and content. So let me try to show you the viewing angles, how it looks. Even the good thing is that Mi Note 10 Lite has only the middle punch hole cutout, so that is good option, notch cutout. So rather than having two punch holes, and even it has got curved edges, so which is also another additional advantage of while watching the movies. So you do get some full screen experience while watching the videos. And the screen size is very small, like not too small, 6.4 inches versus 6.63 inches, so only 0.2 inches difference between both the phones, not that much difference at all. So usually I like this size exactly, which is very good to hold in single hand and which has huge battery, so which I'll be doing a separate review on that as well in terms of battery draining comparison as well. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, so that will be very helpful for you all in case if you are planning to buy the Mi Note 10 Lite. And let me try to decrease the brightness to 10 in both the phones, and in 10 brightness level both are looking kind of close to each other, so there is not much difference. So let me try to decrease to 5. So in 5 also both are looking pretty good, close to each other in terms of the brightness levels. And let me try to decrease to 0. So even at the 0, both are very low brightness levels in terms of 0 brightness. So definitely this is another must-have feature for users who are traveling a lot and they need this kind of low brightness levels. So while you are watching movies or reading news, so you won't be able to disturb any other side passengers as well. So you can see clearly the color difference near the plants and mountain area. So overall the display, I can give good, full points to the Mi Note 10 Lite of having curved edges and having only one notch instead of two punch holes. So overall in terms of the display, the clear winner is the Mi Note 10 Lite phone. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing same kind of display comparison with the other smartphones as well. So definitely that will be very useful subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.